Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come in real quick, say hello to y'all, welcome to my channel, and we're doing a hair tutorial today. So if y'all want to see how I put this wig on and all the specs and stuff like that, keep on watching and make sure you subscribe, please. It helps YouTube know that you guys like these videos. Okay y'all, so I just want to show y'all the cap instruction or whatever. So this is 13 by 6. This is what it looks like on the inside. And it has the elastic band on the inside as well. And it also has the combs, the slide-in combs. There's 1, 2, and 1 big comb in the back. He is super cute. He is shedding a little bit, but you know, with hair it does get a little bit of shedding when you run your fingers through it. I have like 2 pieces right here. Yeah, so we just gonna put her on and see what it's giving.
So much on my mind, I need to unwind. Can you do that for me, baby? Yeah. I'm just trying to find a warm in the shades, in the dark and the light, and I know she's right, and I know you ain't seen a young nigga like me. So let me know if you with me, 'cause I'm just trying to live my life. Won't you be my peace? Are we taking time, when I could be your peace? I wanna make you wait. They couldn't take your place, babe. Please don't make me wait. I'm going now. I wanna make you wait. They couldn't take your place, baby.
Okay y'all, so I have this, if y'all hear like a whirring sound, I have this little fan on because it's hot. So yeah, I have this band on. I didn't cut the lace off yet. I'm just letting it melt a little bit more. I brushed this side. This is what it looks like brushed out. This is the side that I didn't brush. You see the difference? Okay, so y'all see that? This look like my hair. It could be my hair. So I'm gonna just take the razor and cut this off. This looks like my fucking scalp. The way that I just did this, you can't even see the lace. You can't see the lace. Or can you? Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I love this color. I'm gonna do my makeup and everything in the next video, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. If y'all want to know anything else on this wig, I'll probably do like a update, like a 2-week or a month update. Whichever one I do, y'all will see, y'all will know about it. I love this unit. It is super cute. When I brushed it out, you know, it gave me a couple of strands, and running my fingers through it, I am getting some shedding. I don't know if y'all can see. Besides that, she's like really soft. She's super full. And yeah, when I do my makeup, baby, she's gonna give. But she's already giving because this is super cute. Like, I love this. She's cute. But here's the side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. Y'all need to go get her. They have her in other colors. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Y'all stay tuned for the makeup video that will be coming up. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, my loves.